Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Bitmart and signing in. Make sure your identity and 2FA are complete so transactions aren't blocked. Next, fund the account. Deposit crypto or add fiat with a card or bank transfer and wait for confirmation. Check your available balance and chosen wallet. This determines which market pairs you can trade. Once done, locate the Trade button or Markets tab to begin. You need to be on the correct network and have enough balance to cover fees. You'll now pick the trading pair. Search the token symbol and confirm the blockchain to avoid wrong tokens. Choose an order type. Market buys execute immediately at best price, while limit lets you set a target price. Stop limit prevents sudden losses. Enter the amount or percent of your balance to use, then review fee estimates and final totals. Make sure to inspect the token contract or listing info if it's a new coin, because fake or forked tokens often share names. Execute the order and watch the confirmation. Market trades fill fast, limit orders may wait in the order book. Once filled, verify the asset appears in your spot wallet and consider withdrawing to a private wallet if you want full custody. Keep records of the transaction ID and trade receipt for taxes. If something goes wrong, check network confirmations and that you use the correct blockchain, confirm sufficient balance for fees, and then contact Bitmart support with your TZID for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.